नमस्कार. जय श्री कृष्ण. श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद, श्री Advaita Gadadhara, Srivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda, enunciating the significance of Kamada Ekadashi. Kamada Ekadashi is one of the most auspicious day to worship Lord Vishnu. Wish fulfilling is the meaning of Kamada, an Ekadashi that is renowned for satisfying desires, atoning for sins, and bringing about Nirvan Moksha. Puran states that Lord Krishna explained Yudhishthir Maharaj the meaning of Kamada Ekadashi and tale related to Lalit and Lalita, a Gandharva couple who were set free from a curse by observing this Ekadashi. It is hence renowned for releasing previous karmic weights. The Hindu scriptures state that Kamada Ekadashi is very significant to Hindus. Like all Ekadashis, Kamada Ekadashi has a unique story. According to the Padma Puran, the kingdom of Nagpura was ruled by a king by the name of Pundarika. He shared a home with Kinnaras, celestial nymphs, Gandharvas and other Nagas. Since they were young, a celestial nymph named Lalita and a Gandharva named Lalit had been in love and they used to dwell in their own fantasy world. When Lalit was singing with the other Gandharvas in the king's court one day, his mind drifted to his beloved, who wasn't there. His singing was also impacted by the absence of his beloved. Pundarika became enraged when a servant told the king about Lalit's behavior. He turned Lalit into a hideous demon by cursing him. Lalita was grieved as the Gandharva instantly took shape of a hideous demon. Lalit walked to Vindhyachal mountain and then into the forest. Lalita trailed after him, went to Sage Shrungi and told the sage everything. In order to break this curse, Sage Shrungi then suggested that she fast on Kamada Ekadashi during the month of Chaitra. Lalita observed the fast as he had advised. Lalita prayed for his husband to Lord Vishnu. Lalit eventually returned to his original appearance. Since then, Kamada Ekadashi has been observed as a time for fasting. Kamada Ekadashi puja rituals. First, before starting the rites, get up early, take a holy bath and dress nicely. Second, devotees adore Lord Vishnu and take a vow to abstain from sin and keep the fast with utmost devotion. Third, light a diya with desi ghee, place an idol of Lord Vishnu and Sri Yantra and present sweets and flowers or a garland. Fourth, to appease Lord Vishnu, people serve panchamrita, milk, curd, sugar, honey and ghee together with tulsi patra. Fifth, it is believed that puja is not complete if tulsi patra is not offered. Sixth, in the evening right before sunset, the devotees are required to present Lord Vishnu, Bhog Prasad and do puja. They chant Lord Vishnu Arti, recite Vishnu Sahasranam and recite Sri Hari Stotram. Seventh, even though the fast is completely broken on Dwadashi Tithi, those who are unable to endure hunger can eat Bhog Prasad in the evening following puja. Eighth, Bhog Prasad, which includes fried potatoes, milk products and fruits, must be sattvic. Ninth, the Bhog Prasad shall be distributed to all family members following the evening Aarti. 10th, devotees can have a sattvic meal to break their fast after Bhog Prasad is distributed. 11th, after Paran, many devotees follow a rigorous fast which they break on Dwadashi Tithi. 12th, devotees must go to the temple in order to ask Lord Vishnu or Lord Krishna for blessings. 13th, people should also light a diya in the tulsi plant in the evening. Mantras. First, Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Second, Shri Krishna Govinda Hare Murari He Nath Narayan Vasudeva. Third, Achyutam Keshavam Krishna Damodaram Rama Narayanam Janaki Vallabham. Fourth, Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare. Fifth, Rama Rama Rameti Rame Rame Manorame Sahasratama Tattulyam Rama Nama Varanane. Hare Krishna.